Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this USB-C to USB-C keychain. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this keychain and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, first off, I just wanted to point out this nice metal loop up here. It feels really nice and high quality, and it just simply can go ahead and unlock, and you can just go ahead and clip it onto your keys if you would like, or wherever you plan on storing this keychain. Now, one thing I wanted to show you is you'll notice this kind of loop band here. This is actually a USB-C to USB-C cable here. Now, because I'm holding the camera with one hand, I've gone ahead and undone this one already. You actually get two of these keychains here in this set, which is awesome. But this is what the cable looks like here. You can see two really nice high quality USB-C sides of the cable there, and nice and short, but good enough again to go ahead and charge up my phone when I'm in a pinch and need a cable or something like that. And then as far as the keychain side, it just has those two slots, so you can go ahead and just connect it back to the keychain to make carrying it around really nice and easy. Overall, I've been really impressed with these keychains. I think they're really nice and high quality, and I'd highly recommend them. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.